roundabout, take the second exit.
Push yourself to climb a mountain, and you get off a little bit off the beaten track.
So you're adventuring in September. We'll take you to Exeter, Swansea, Cardiff, and Birmingham. So you'll go there with your eyes open, and
I'll be travelling there with my eyes open. There's a long. I mean, it's quite scary to see the list.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Pudding Lane.
But are you going to stand there and are you going to sing a song or do some juggling, do some card tricks?
Card tricks, I can do card tricks. I'm not too bad at those. Singing a song and juggling is not a good thing.
Take the exit to Pudding Lane.
And I'm going to
continue half a mile to the end of the street, then turn left.
File protected.
120 countries or something utterly ridiculous like that. And I have obviously banked a lot of stories along the way.
At the end of the street, turn left.
I suppose I started out as an author before TV, but my early background is totally pathetic. I left school with nothing and went on the dole and got a job as a postman. So I suppose there's hopefully a bit of a, it's an overused word of course, but a slightly inspiring situation where I've managed to make a bit of a career from pretty much nothing.
Can I join the dots then? Because
Please.
I know, because you have said that you grew up in Hammersmith in London, and you were hopeless academically.
Yeah.
And and you're a post boy and so on. And then you write a
Turn left onto Marigot.
An international bestseller. Now, somewhere there's a big disconnect there. What happened in between?
Well, there's not a huge disconnect. I think one of the things my journeys have shown me is that people who have had very, very difficult starts in life or had an incredibly traumatic experience can be transformed very, very quickly.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Northumberland Avenue.
I left school